Did I just burn it? Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ralu and today we're going to do a vlogmas. And I want to make some gingerbread because I haven't done it actually never, so this is my very first time trying it and I hope it's going to be delicious. I have here the recipe, I think. So I don't know if you have seen my previous vlogmas videos. If you have seen them, you know that I love jeffbaking.com. I think her recipes are so delicious and I make them all the time. And today I want to try her gingerbread man. I will just need 390 grams all-purpose flour, sugar, 1 egg, and plus. We should start working. All-purpose flour. Flour is here. Oh, and I also wanted to show you my beautiful nails. And I have ginger man on them also. They inspire me to do the gingerbread. So I'm also watching the tutorial for this. It's perfect. Some baking soda. Ground ginger. I have this one. I've never used it, so it says 2 tablespoons. I hope it's not too much. I really do. And then the cinnamon here. I'm so excited to do this, guys, with you. This year I am so Christmassy. I'm into all the activities. I'm into all the fun, into the carols. I've also made a playlist with the Christmas songs that I like to listen. They're not carols. Some of them are, but there are some old songs that I really enjoy, and they're pop songs and some R&B and rap songs, so you should definitely go and check that out. Now we have some nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon it says, so that should be enough. And then it says cloves. I don't know if I should put this or not, because I was supposed to have them ground and I don't have. I think I'm going to skip them. So here is my salt. I like to keep it in a jar. 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 Okay. Something like this. We mix them together. Like this. Yes, we mix them. Usually when I cook, I tend to make a mess all around me. So I hope I don't get all the flour on me because I'm wearing a black shirt. Actually, this is a hoodie. Yeah, this is me being a housewife, okay? This is me having fun in the kitchen also.
1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now you could really
I love her.
vary these spices.
I love her sweets, they're so good. And now comes the fun part. We are using the mixer, baby. So now we're going to need a large bowl, like this, and the electric mixer, which is super old. We have this mixer since I was a child, so it brings back memories. And it's super nice. Because it's so tiny, and this is why it came in my luggage to Cluj, because the mixer that I had at home is so big, and with all the moving and stuff I didn't have so much space for everything. So making choices, people, making choices. White one. 113 grams of unsalted butter. Here is the butter. So this is perfect. And we will scratch up the margins. So now we're going to beat. Let's do this. It was really a smart choice to leave the butter out for quite a few hours. Now it's so soft that I don't really have to beat it. So now we need some granulated white sugar, 100 grams. 100. I think 70 is enough because we don't eat that sweet, except for chocolate.
And I'm going to beat this meat.
So now we're going to beat the egg. Woo. Don't tell anyone that you have seen that. You'll see I'm very talented. I have so many talents, I don't know what to do with them. So I just throw stuff around. Alright, let's beat the egg. Okay, so now we're going to put in the molasses. I don't know if it's good or I'm just tasting it and it tastes so bad, so I really don't know what to say about this. I really do hope that this will be good at the end. We shall see. So I'm adding 160 grams of molasses. And I think I have the dark one. I haven't found... Who am I kidding? I didn't do the shopping. My husband did them for me, so this is what he found at the store. So let's beat it again. I think that's enough if they incorporate it. I don't know what to say about this color. It just looks... I don't know. I hope it will be good. I'm not that excited anymore. Keep it together. It has to be delicious. So now I'm going to incorporate the flour in portions. And this is the step where I really need to be careful because I tend to make flour all over.
A few moments later.
Did I just burn it? Mami, dacă vezi asta, îmi pare rău. Nu am vrut. I think I need to go in with my hand. Now we're going to cut it in half. We're going to put it here. One and one.
It's easier if we roll up the dough in smaller sections. This is a lot of dough to roll up one big circle. So
I've made it so far. These are the doughs. I'm going to put them in the fridge and I will see you guys in just one sec. And we're back. Yes, I have a new makeup on. My hair is done differently. It's only been 1 second. I'm Samantha. And now we're going to cut it. Look how cute they are. Look. They're so tiny. So this is how my gingerbread looks like. Look at the tiny man. Off you go in the oven. Meanwhile, the gingerbread men are baking. We have to do the confectioner's frosting, and I really need to do the icing sugar. I think this is just perfect. We're going lighter. Can you believe that at the beginning of the year I used to spend about a month without eating any sugar? Like none, zero sugar in my life, in my diet. And now I'm eating all candy. If you watch me on Instagram, you would see how much candy and chocolate I have eaten this month. I think I need to readjust my diet again, but after the holidays. Now I'm going to use this baby and I'm going to make the normal sugar a powder sugar. And off we go in the adventure. Let's not burn the cookies, shall we? Let's not burn the cookies, man. My gingerbread man. It's so hot in here. Let's take off all your clothes. Now that our gingerbread man are cooling off, we're going to do the confectioner's icing. So we add the butter first. You know my special little talent. I'm not going to measure the butter. It will be an eye thing. Please work. Please don't let me down. Now that when I need you the most, do you think it is going to work? Tell me, please tell me. Do you think it is going to work still after all that fire, after all that smoke that came from it? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. It is fucking working! Yes! I'm so excited! Yes, 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 yes. So now we're going to stiff the sugar. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract and 1.5 teaspoon of milk. Okay. It's time to decorate. I have put the icing into this syringe thing. So this is a girl. You see, I've made her a different hairstyle and her lips are contoured and more voluminous. And here we have 2 men. And here we have another woman. So here are my gingerbread men. Some of them are so cute, some of them are fat, some of them are crazy, some of them are funny. It's important that you have fun while doing them. Which one is your favorite? I think my favorite one, it will be maybe this one over here. Let's taste one, shall we? Let's taste this. It's the crisp. It's good, but I have overbaked them. So definitely I need to try this one more time. They're good. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and had a little fun with me.